Alright, back here on Curt's 58, I did pull the fuel rail for the carb because there was a port, 1/8" pipe port, for a fuel pressure gauge. So, picked this up a fuel pressure gauge so we can monitor the fuel pressure at all times. Make damn sure we aren't flooding and overflowing and making a hot mess express. Also, I noticed that the accelerator pump was leaking on the carb and dumping out of the manifold, so I did pull the primary bowl. I'm going to take that apart and put it together with fresh seals because we stock them. And it's kind of weird, like that's the second one on this carb that did that actually. So a little strange, but you know, nothing too major. Pumps here as we saw yesterday. I'm gonna start pulling that apart right now. All right, so this is the second accelerator pump diaphragm from Holley, kind of with the blue on the inside, that has just disintegrated. So this is out of another kit that we have here that we stock. Going to put this in and we're going to try this, and hopefully this won't blow its load.
All right, guys, working on Curt's 58 Ford F100.
What's up, Curt? Hey, Boinsy.
What's up? Bobby's been playing with the carburetor. I know he needs to do a couple more things, and
Yeah, something about fittings, I guess he said.
yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah.
So that's super cool. Getting ready to pull off the fuel pump. I loosened up, cracked the line, the main line there.
Right.
And I'm gonna take that off. I got two 9/16 bolts. And
What's wrong with the fuel pump?
got me on that one. I just get told sometimes. I just do what I'm told.
Oh, that's right, because he's replacing the fittings. Dad, that's what the fittings are for. It's okay, Scotty's having a fucking meltdown.
Gotta have a day. We both need a little pick-me-up.
But you gotta see this, guys. Look, 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 look. Oil-filled regulator gauge with regulator. So it'll be easy enough for the owner of the truck to set at any point in time whenever he needs to do anything. Rebuild on the carb. All new fuel lines going to and from. Coolant hose issue has been long taken care of. Bobby took care of that for him. And there's not much left that you guys have to do on this, if I remember correctly.
No, hopefully once he gets the fittings and all, it's just gonna be...
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah, fill up the fuel bowl. Thing will fire up, and, you know, Bobby will take it for a test drive and go from there, you know. I know the owner wanted some other work done, but at least he can set up an appointment for that. I think it's more simple stuff.
Right.
So when we get there, we'll get there. I still think this is a cool looking motor.
Oh, dude, it's
I can't stop.
absolutely amazing. It really is. I mean, we love the truck here.
So
We do.
It really inspires me. I got a 76 Dodge pickup. It really inspires me to put a little extra attention to when I get
It's
the motor
just
turned.
little things that make a huge difference.
So, like, okay, I might need the stool.
But on that note, we'll let Burnsy get back to work so I can get back to work so we can make whatever it is we make. I don't know what we make anymore. Hey, you make more than me.
Oh, you make 50 cents?
I make 50 cents.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah. But on that note, guys, I'll let everybody get back to work. And Burnsy, what do we say?
All right, guys. Got the fuel pump out. All nice. Sitting right there, waiting for Bobby to get back. See what he has planned to make this thing run and purr like a kitten. I can't wait. I love the way this truck sounds. Curt, if you ever decide to sell this, let Scotty know so he can let me know. All right, get back to you guys in a few.
Hey, Burnsy. I just went and got the fittings. I'm going to clean these up real quick. There's our inlet and our outlet. And then we are going to mount this baby up and run some hoses Cross our fingers, cross our toes, cross our eyes, cross whatever we got to cross.
Yeah.
Because
I'm hoping for the best, because when this truck's running, it sounds mean.
yeah.
And you know, we talked about...
It's not over pressurizing this time. It obviously won't with this, because these are actually right. They're not. They're not made in China.
Made in China.
China.
Beep beep.
You know, so.
All right.
Well, the other issue was, well, you saw my video earlier, the accelerator pump gasket. So I went and fished one out of our bin.
Cool little bin.
Yep. And then back here, I had to pull this bolt. I just wanted to check everything, and of course, that gasket started to fail, so I had to replace that gasket as well. So hopefully, it won't leak. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But
hey, we're praying on it. Oh, come on.
Wait, pinky promise?
Oh, there we go.
Pinky promise?
Well, no, I was getting the cross in there.
Oh, you want pinky promise anyway for fun?
Okay. Oh,
Pinky.
come on.
It's like back into the school.
Yep, right.
All right, so I'm gonna put this on. Actually, do you want to do me a favor because you're Burnsy?
Not. I don't know. It depends if it's
too bad. I'm gonna tell you to do it.
If it's rolling on the ground, that feel no.
No, you're just gonna the rubber hose here. 5/16. Pull this one off and let's put 3/8 on there so we can go boop boop done.
Boop boop. All right, sir.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll get back to you in a few.